It's about the long run. It's about incorporating that in your lifestyle. You know, the eating well, the drinking water, the sleeping well, the exercising, that is what makes your body be able to integrate and maintain the healthy changes that can transpire when we work together, or when you incorporate any new supplement or herb or treatment. You know, even if you start getting massages, or you've started with energy work, or you've started with meditation or deep breathing, every change can build on the other and create kind of what I call exponential healing, which is what happens over time. Over time, I believe our lives are kind of like a spiral. We're the same person, but we can just keep getting better and better. We might have some of the similar symptoms that we started with every once in a while, but it's not at the same level, and it will never last the same amount of time or feel like it did in the beginning, especially if you know how to eat. Let's say you're eating really well. You start now, you decide that you're going to incorporate eating better and exercising. And you do it for 4 months in a row. The holidays roll around. You're starting to eat really rich foods. You're going to parties. You're not exercising. You don't have the time. You're more stressed. It's getting colder outside. After the holidays, you now know how to eat better and how to exercise, so you could always go back to that. That's the great thing about you having knowledge and being empowered with your health, is the things that you learn here or with any other holistic or healing modality that you decide to incorporate in your life, you now know that's your knowledge. No one can take that away from you. So if you've gone off the wagon with eating and you're eating a ton of sweets and you haven't exercised, you know what to go back to. There's no reason to get stressed about it. There's no reason to worry about it. You just go right back to it and you can feel better.